Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log into Binance without Google Authentication. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, go ahead, open up your browser, type in binance.com, get into the official website. Then go ahead, tap on login, enter your credentials and enter your password, and tap on login right over here. Once you have done that, this another interface is gonna pop up where you have to simply provide the phone verification code, but instead you're going to tap on this option of Security Verification Unavailable. And now from over here, you're going to find this kind of interface which shows you three options. From over here, you're going to choose this option of Google Authentication is unavailable, and I would like to disable it. Now tap on Confirm Reset. Then over here, you're going to provide your phone verification code, which will be sent to your phone number, and email verification code, which will be sent to your email. Go ahead, copy it and paste it over here and tap on Submit. Once I submitted that, now you can see it gonna show the security request. Now simply have to answer some questions. Tap on Start Answering Questions. Then go over here and answer the questions accordingly. And then tap on Next. Then this kind of interface gonna pop up. You can see security request is now approved. Now return to login. You can simply go ahead tap on return to login and go ahead and enter your credentials and get logged in without the Google Authentication because you have simply disabled it now. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.